No, I simply won't allow it.
But we'd move much faster if you let them fly with me.
Your wings are too small.
Wow, look! I wish we could travel like that.
I say, children, how about if I
said no. Starry night! It's a nebulous nebula.
Oh no! Now we're really gonna be late.
Let's find another skyway to take.
That's not necessary. I can easily fly them over this obstacle.
Now, Rory, I told you.
Wow, great idea, Rory. Oh!
Tally ho!
Rory, stop! Stop!
You see, Elsa? It's no problem. They're as light as a...
Watch out!
Oh, too heavy.
Bitsy! Blinky! Are you okay?
Yes, but we can't see you.
We can't see you either.
Wow! Look at that! It's a star train! Look! Neo!
What was that?
Wow! I just thought about how neat this train was and the whistle blew! If we could get this train going, we could make our delivery on time! This ought to do something! Oh! Hey, we're flying! Oh!
Good heavens.
Be careful!
Don't worry, we'll be fine!
Now, are you satisfied, Fly Brain?
Whee! I hope we don't run out of... Uh-oh. What makes it run? Let's ask Sparky.
This train runs on positron power. It's you kids that make it go.
Really, Sparky?
The happier your thoughts, the faster it goes.
Let's get all our deliveries done and go to the Starcade. That'll make my thoughts really happy.
Here, please deliver this to Crystal.
Here we go.
Far out!
Gosh, our deliveries are finished in record time. Now we have plenty of time for the Starcade. Well, maybe not. I have an idea. Let's give everyone a ride. All aboard the Dreamland Express! Remember, the happier your thoughts, the faster we go.
Just as I suspected. I knew we'd find Bitsy and Blinky here.
Well, I'm not going on that train. It's too undignified.
For once, I agree. It's kid stuff.
Visit us. My Little Pony G1 World.